Is this gonna end up in disaster?
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Get them off.
Get the moth. Oh. You want to record? I'll try to fly.
Sure. Okay, don't press anything.
I'm chasing it. Ah. Oh no. Oh no.
Well, all we know for sure is that these things protected it. You actually got the battery to come out partially.
You know, I don't know where that helicopter plane is, but it's really ruining our audio.
Engage. Did you turn it? You turned it off.
How did my shoe magically hit the off button?
Sequence. Comanche code.
What does that mean? Whoa.
Now the drone is madly here.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't have kicked off my feet and relax. You can thank me for my grammar. Nice.
Auto land.
There's a rock in my shoe.
Don't.
Ah! What happens if you hit a speed bump with that?
I'll probably slow down.
Yeah, that's what I would assume. Oh. What a coincidence. Look ahead. That is the most laziest speed bump I've ever seen.
What do you mean?
I mean, what is that speed bump? It's like hardly even a bump.
Oh yeah. Let's make it look like he's biting.
Wow, he's... Oh. What?
What did I do?
Can't believe you do that.
What should we do now?
Breathe.
Our times I'll just skim over it.
Unless you just, do the funny to the windshield.
Or hit the wall.
Oh, I got that off camera.
These blades are like super strong. They literally hit solid wood.
The only piece of wood in here that could have hit.
If my friend Sam flew into the back, he was like, it didn't even touch the wood. And during that time, hearing screams, bam, slam, chop, chop, thwack, thwack. I'm like, hit the bench.